Gusto mo ba yung property na titirhan mo ay yung along the highway, complete turnover, na may 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and may space for car garage? Then, welcome to your future home here in First Park Homes. Isa sa mga property dito sa First Park Homes is si Ona as a single attached, Calista as a townhouse, Calista Model Unit as a expansion, Calista as a combined model unit. Hi, I'm Maniling Garrido, your trusted real estate salesperson from Dream House Realty. Magandang araw mga Dream House. Another house tour naman tayo at samahan niyo po ako dito sa First Park Homes kung saan ipapakilala ko sa inyo tong model na to, which is Calista Model Unit, na may lot area na 44 square meter while the floor area is 40 square meter. Now, let's start the house tour, guys. So, itong First Park Homes natin, which is here located in Barangay Buena Vista, General Trias, Cavite. So, ito, along the highway lang to, guys. Kaya, maganda po itong location at malapit din po sa lahat. So, upon turnover, kasama na po or included na po dito yung gate and fence natin dito. Kasama na po siya. Then, yun, may space tayo dito for car garage, kasya po siya for isang sasakyan. So, ang regular unit niya, lot area is only 44 square meter, but itong model dress up unit natin, id unit po siya. Kaya, ang lot area niya is 60.50 square meter. So, since end unit po to, yung pinakita ko po sa inyo, check natin yung sa likod. So, yung may setback tayo dito, around 2 meters. So, if ever gusto nyo po i-move sideward para po ma-maximize pa po yung space nyo, para magamit pa itong space nyo dito, pwede po yan. So, ito, sa likod mo, ito yung part ng likod niya po. So, it's a service area na pwede mo din siya gawing as a laundry area. Then, if ever gusto nyo din i-expand niya pa yung space dito, pwede pa rin po yan. Okay? Again, these are end units po. Kaya, lot ni area niya is 60.50 square meter. Pero pag inner unit or sa regular unit is ang lot area niya is 44 square meter lang, which is hanggang dito lang. Yan, hanggang yan po ang regular unit as a 44 square meter. Now, check natin sa loob po. So, ang door type natin is still panel door. This is a model dress up unit, guys. So, ito yung this model dress up unit, if ever may mga gamit na, furnitures, and interior design. So, this is a living area. Again, the floor area nito, guys, is 40 square meter. So, yun. Then, ito naman yung dining area mo. And kitchen. Then, dito naman yung toilet and bath natin. Toilet and bath natin, yun, complete na din po yung accessories niyan. Meron pa siyang lavatory, wall with water closet, shower, tiles, fully painted. Then, meron na din po siyang window as a jealousy type. So, meron tayong another pintuan dito, which is pinakita ko po sa inyo kanina as your service area. Now, check naman natin yung second floor. So, sa second floor natin, before tayo aakyat, meron tayo ditong bintana sa sliding window type. Then, yung tubular type, yung staircase natin, metal railings. Then, concrete na din po yung steps ng hagdan natin, which is 6 steps po with vinyl plank type. Then, wooden type din yung part dito sa staircase natin na napakatibay. And, this is a second floor. Yung second floor po natin, guys, 3 kwarto lang. Check muna natin yung first bedroom. So, sa first bedroom natin, ginawa nila as a mini office. Since ito ay model dress up unit, yan. Yung window natin, meron tayong window na sliding window type. Dito naman, jealousy type. Yung floor natin, naka-vinyl planks type na. Yung kisame natin, fully painted na din po siya. Dito, may another space pa tayo. Pwede mo siya any purposes. Yan. Dito naman, may window tayo, jealousy type. Now, check naman natin yung master bedroom. Yung master bedroom natin, see, ang ganda. May dalawang bintana tayo na sliding window type na very relaxing kasi kitang-kita mo yung neighborhood mo. And good for sourcing of natural light and good for ventilation. So again, the floor natin naka-vinyl planks type. Yung kisame natin naka-fully painted hanggang sa mga walls natin. Now, this is the modern recep unit. Ipakita ko naman sa inyo yung actual turnover. Okay guys, ipakita ko naman sa inyo yung actual turnover itong Calista model unit dito sa First Park Homes. Okay? This is the actual turnover. Again, kasama na po pagka-turnover, itong gate, and meron na din po siyang bakod po. So, yan, kasya yung isang sasakyan na may lot area na 44 square meter as a regular unit. Still panel door type. Yeah, this is the actual turnover, guys. So, see, walang magamit. So, ito na talaga expected na i-deliver sa'yo po. Vinyl planks type, the floor, yung pader natin, fully painted, hanggang sa kisame. Tapos, naka-ready na po yung mga outlets. Ito naman yung kitchen natin. See, ang ganda ng tiles ginamit nila. Meron na po siyang sink, faucet, and meron na po siyang included na po pagka-turn over yung cabinets po. Then, ito naman yung toilet at bath, but ngayon, hindi pa siya available for ano. But if interested, makikita nyo naman for tripping po. Now, ang service area, since pinakita ko naman kanina sa unang video ko. Now, check naman natin yung second floor. So, yun. Before po akit sa taas, meron natin dito bintana, tubular type. Dito, may awning type na din po yung window natin. Okay. Actually, na-open po siya. Medyo matigas lang na. Yun. So, this is actual turnover. Dito sa second floor natin, again, may dalawang kwarto. But first, check natin yung first bedroom. If ever may mga kids kayo, pwede na po ito sa mga anak nyo or guest room, pwede. Fully painted. Floor natin, naka-vinyl planks type. Then, naka-ready na po yung mga outlets. Tapos, dalawa po yung bintana natin dito. Jealousy type. Here, jealousy type din. Now, check naman natin yung master bedroom. So, sa master bedroom natin, of course, same lang din po siya. Naka-vinyl planks type na po yung floor natin. Hanggang sa kisame natin, fully painted hanggang sa walls natin. Then, yung may bintana po tayo dito as a sliding window type. Then, of course, meron na din po siyang provision for the aircon. Naka-ready na po yung mga outlets. So, see, ang ganda tong unit na to, guys. Property na to, guys, is napakaganda. Kasi nga, since along the highway, complete turnover, and wala ka ng, since complete turnover siya, wala ka ng masyadong ipapa-renovate. Additional na lang yung mga interior designs. Kaya if really interested, if you want to schedule the tripping and for reservation, message mo lang po ako for assisting your future home. Again, I'm Maniling Garrido, your trusted real estate salesperson from Dream House CLP. See you soon! Thank you, Dream House!
Hey. 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 Hey, hey, hey.